Hello, and thank you for joining NoWaste's test phase with the AI assistant. It's pretty exciting, and I'm looking forward to hear what you think about it. So, right now I'm just gonna show you a bit around the new app. When you launch the app, you'll see this interface. If you already have a user, please do not use it, but sign up with a new one. So tap the sign up, and then just fill out the boxes here. Oops. Just a second. Tap terms and conditions, and then complete the sign up. So this is going to be the new No Waste. At the bottom we have some different tabs. We have inventories, where you can see all your food, which is the same from the previous app. Shopping list, which you also had. Then we have this new tab called recipes, where you can generate recipes with the help of AI. And then we have this assistant tab, where you can have a dialogue with the assistant. And in here you can see how many tokens you have used when you have been talking with or writing to the AI. If you need more tokens, please just contact me and let me know. You can tap the contact me button to reach out. So right now I just want to show you a bit on how the AI works. So as you can see, we have a completely empty inventory, and up here you can see your lists, and we have no items yet. I'll jump into the assistant, and what you can do is basically ask it to do everything that you manually had to do in the old NoWaste app. So let's say I want to add food. I'll tell it, hi, I'd like to add food to my fridge. Then it'll take some seconds to respond. And it says, please provide me with the names and quantities of the food items you'd like to add to your fridge. And I'll say, okay, 3 milk, 2 orange juice, and butter. You don't really have to tell it the quantity if it's just one. And I encourage you to just experiment with this. So when you're done tapping, you can tap the arrow here, and let's see. Then it asks, you're adding food to your fridge, let me confirm the details. That sounds about right. I'll just say yes. Great. So now we're going to see if it added the food items to your inventory list. So we go back to the inventories, and there you go. We have our food in the in my fridge list. You can also from the dialog with the AI, tap the view all 6 items, and then you can see a resume of what the AI has added and where to. You can also tap these to edit them on the spot. You can also use the voice command. So let's try that. Right now we do not have anything in our shopping list, so let's just go ahead and add some chocolate and chips to the shopping list. Hello, could you please add chocolate and chips to the shopping list? Thank you. Just one. So there you go. Let's see if it's in the shopping list. It's added to the shopping list, and we can confirm here. So basically, you can add all the food items you want to the shopping list and the inventories through the AI assistant, but you can do so much more. You can use these commands right here to ask it different things. I can tap this one, what's in stock, to just ask it a default command, and it'll check what's in your stock. You can ask it to edit items, you can ask it to empty your inventories, you can ask it to transfer food from the shopping list. So if I have been shopping and now I want to transfer the food from the shopping list, I can just tap this one. Transfer all my items to my shopping list, from my shopping list to the inventories. And then NoWaste may ask what inventories you want it to transfer to. Or maybe it will do it by itself and add it to the fridge. And then we can go and check, and now we have chocolate and chips to the fridge. And if you wanted to add transfer it to a specific list, then you can just tell it to. And I'll also like to show you something about something with the recipes. So in NoWaste you can now get generated AI recipes. You can either describe the dish yourself. Let's see, pesto with pasta. And then it'll go ahead and generate some recipes for you. Yep. And you can tap one, go and see the instructions. But if you don't want to describe it, you just want to use the ingredients in your inventories, you can tap this one, and then you can just choose what items you want it to create recipes from. Great. You can also just ask it in here if you want it to create some recipes. And then, yeah, experiment, try it out, see if you can find other ways to improve your effectiveness in managing your food. And let me know if you have any ideas on how to improve this, or have crazy ideas on how to use the AI. That would be great. Remember, you can always delete food by tapping the check button out here, and tap the trash can up there, or you can move your items as well. In here you can add new lists, and you can customize. So if you don't want the big tile, you can go down and choose the smaller tile without the icons. Alright, let me know if you have any questions. Just tap the button here or write to me at nowasteapp@gmail.com. And if you could give me feedback once a week, or whenever you have feedback, then that would be great. And I'll send out an update on how the testing is going once in a while. Thank you. Bye bye.